So I want to do a review on this COMFIER foot massager. Doing reviews on massagers is kind of hard because you can't really show what's happening. It's more about how it feels, which might be different from person to person. But I'm going to do my best to explain how it feels and how it works. It comes in a nice looking box. It's actually very well packaged for those of you thinking of buying this as a gift. Once you pull out the massager, there's no assembly required. In one of the leg openings, you will find the manual and the power adapter. When you first look at it, you might be tempted to open the zipper around the sides of the massager, but don't. It's not designed to be open, it's sealed shut. When you need to wash out the leg sleeves, there's a separate zipper for those. Once you plug this into an outlet, the controls are very simple and intuitive. There's a power button, then there's a button that controls the heat that goes high, low, and off. Then there's a button that controls the strength of the massage with a high, medium, low, and off setting. There are also buttons with the same setting options for the air and the vibration. As I mentioned before, the sleeves are very easy to remove. You just grab the zipper through the sleeve and go around in a circle until the sleeve is completely detached. Then there will be two Velcro pads on the bottom that just rip off and the whole sleeve comes out for cleaning. And once you're done cleaning, the installation is also simple. The hardest part I'd say is to get the zipper to align. Once that's done, it's as simple as going around in a circle and zipping it up. Now, before I give you my opinion on this product, I just want to say I did receive this in exchange for a review, and while that in no way changes what I say, I just like to give this disclaimer. So, as you can see here without the sleeve, there's a rotating massager on the arch of the foot. It lights up when the heating function is turned on. This arch massager is the second strongest sensation aside from the airbags that I feel. There are airbags on the sides and the top of the foot that actually squeeze with a decent amount of pressure. Then there's also a little knob that massages your heel, which does a great job, but you can actually adjust your foot to get more coverage for the heel. For the front of the foot, there are little knobs and a little motor that vibrates and that provides a massage to your toes. If I had to say one negative about this massager, it would be that I wish the toes got a little bit more attention as the massage is fairly light on them. It's more of a personal preference, but something to keep in mind. Overall, this massage feels really good. The airbags really add another level to it and it makes it feel like somebody's actually giving you a massage. The loudest part of this machine is the airbag release hiss, which sounds like this. Also, depending on the type of floor you have, the vibration function can be kinda loud. Probably won't be a problem on carpet, but it might be a little loud on hardwood. While keeping those facts in mind, it's still a great massager. It's light and small enough to fit under a desk and can be used while working. The heating function is great, especially on colder days. The airbags definitely add a whole nother level to this massage that those bottom of the foot only massagers lack. So this machine is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a good all-around foot massager.